Forget fancy cookbooks and secret family traditions. Today, we are going strictly by the label. Is the Del Monte Classic Cornbread actually the GOAT or just a side dish of lies? We'll find out. Hi, I'm Ralph, and they say the best things in life are free, but just maybe the best recipe, for cornbread at least, is found on the back of a Del Monte corn label. Today, we're gonna find out if that's the true or maybe just a lie. Join me here, we're about to get started. Here's the recipe that I found. It's on the back of the can of Del Monte. Looked real interesting, so I thought I'd give it a shot. I've already pre-greased with olive oil my 9x9 dish. We'll set that aside for the moment. In a bowl, I'm gonna be adding 2 packages of Jiffy cornbread mix. 2 eggs. Can of cream style corn. A can of well-drained regular corn. Gonna blend that all together here. Now normally, you'd probably be thinking that you'd be adding some kind of milk to this. This recipe does not call for it. I think it's making use of the liquid in the cream corn. So we're gonna see how that works out. That is looking blended pretty well. So it's time to toss this into a 9x9 baking dish. Get that smoothed out. My oven is preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to be putting it in for between 40 to 45 minutes. We'll see you when it comes out of the oven. Okay, it's come out of the oven. I let it sit and cool for about 10 minutes. I've cut out a little sample here. Maybe my wife is going to be able to take this to her potluck if she wishes tonight. So I didn't want to make too big of a bite here to take out, but I'm going to give this a taste right now. This is really good. I like having those whole kernels of corn in with the cornbread. It gives that additional texture to it, a little extra flavor. Very moist. Now let me just point out, before you pull it out of the oven, test it with a toothpick. Pull it out. If it comes out clean, it's done. Now if you're enjoying the video, please consider giving me a like down below. If you're watching on a mobile device, maybe hit that hype button. And please leave me a comment. I love the comments and it really does help the channel. And the subscription is awesome. I am trying to get to 100,000 subscribers. Like to do that as quick as possible. I'd really appreciate that subscription. So with that said, I will see y'all next week. Bye-bye.